What is up, guys? Yes, you see that I'm not face to face anymore. But yeah, I have to switch my phone because my phone's not letting me upload any videos that are face to face anymore. So now I just gotta kind of do it like this, but I can kind of show my face. No, I don't think I can. But yeah. Okay, I'm showing you guys how you can be me for Halloween. Oh, shoot. Which is coming up really soon. The Nightmare Me is going to have a lot of stuff, so catch that in a little bit. Okay, the first me, if you guys want to be, which is going to be easy. Let me pull the first shirt here. This, you just need a black marker and draw all this stuff on the front and back. The back is kind of the hardest. But this shirt can go along with a lot of stuff. It can go along with, one second guys. It can go along with the pants, the shirt. Wait, no, that's the Nightmare Me. That's the nightmare part me. So, yeah, I'll bring the neck. That other shirt in the top left, the top, that shirt on the top left, is actually going to be the Nightmare Me shirt, created from this. This is going to be the pants, the jacket, if you want to wear that jacket. Oh yeah, I forgot. With that and that shirt, that watch comes along. Okay, this is the Nightmare Me look. If you can see me. Yeah, so the pants, I don't have any shoes on right now. The shirt, everything. So this is what happens when you mix Halloween with Spy Kids 30. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Also, here's a regular me look. I just gotta get some. Alright everyone, here's the regular me look. So, yeah. This is the regular me look. So, if you want to do this look, you can. You just need this jacket, this shirt, and these pants, but I don't have no shoes on. And the shoes that you would need for all of these are, there are lots of shoes. So, for the robot me, lightning shoes, for that version of me, those and shoes, and for the monster me, those white shoes. And those are spray painted. So yeah, and this goes along with this, that goes along with that. But no watch comes along with that because, yeah, that would just kind of be creepy. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow, and bye!